I would love to see, this isn't necessarily an era, but like, I would love to see a predator going after people in like a wintry wilderness, um,
Hmm.
like a snowstorm, like the Hateful Eight style, like blizzard.
Oh,
Um,
cool.
I think that would be really interesting, especially with the cloak and everything. Um, Also, I mean, if Predator can stop at Hogwarts would be pretty cool. But I don't know. I mean, honestly, this movie already gave me the one that my number one thing, which would be feudal Japan and samurai.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
that would be my choice.
Looking at all my eyes can see, they tell me I view obsessively.